So this guitarist right here is going to show us exactly how you can play guitar on stage. Now, a lot of you guys have questions of when I am on stage, what do I play as a guitarist? This bad guy right here, his name is Jefta. He's going to show us what he does. Don't worry, I don't even need to talk much about him. When you hear like a worship song, what are the chords to play, maybe the skills to play, what techniques, effects, and all of that. So we are going to use a song that I just did a cover for like some days back. So we're going to pick the song, play it, and then while he's playing, he'll be explaining how you should do it. So pick up your guitar and follow along. All right, so let me play the song and then you tell us what you're doing. Okay. Okay, so what's the first thing that comes to your head when you hear a song like this? What comes to your head?
Okay, so first of all, you study the pattern.
Study the pattern, okay?
Yeah. And for example, like this song is giving a warfare vibe.
Warfare vibes, take note of that.
Yeah, so you will not use clean guitar or just normal reverb or ambience to fight, or so you need to use something very high.
So for songs that sound like warfare, what he's trying to say is for songs that sound aggressive, you use your distortion, distortion effect for those people asking. Then for those ones that are like less aggressive, you use which effect?
I use your ambience.
Ambience, which is your clean, reverb
and
delay. Alright, so let's go. Okay?
Can we record? Can we record?
Alright, so I'm playing the song.
Alright.
Bad guy. Okay, so alright, so for songs that have different parts, this is the intro of the song. What do you do?
You first build.
Okay, you build.
Yeah, you first build. So for it to build, you use your ambience effect. You understand? Then you chip in some small
feels.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now the feels must not be a scale.
Okay.
You just play with sweet melodies around
the chord,
playing the chord progression.
Okay. So show us what you just explained now. So just like I explained, you mustn't necessarily use a scale. What he's simply playing is chord tone or chord melody, right? The notes of every chord. He's targeting particular notes that are part of a chord that is playing. For example, if it's a La that is playing, he just targets a note that is part of the La and chip that in. I believe you're understanding. Alright, let's go on. Okay, how do you do? What do you do, buddy?
Yeah, I just mute.
Okay, you muted the
string and then just play.
Just experiment. Do anything. That's what he's saying. Okay. So he's building the melody, the rhythm of the. That's what he's in. Downstrokes, right? So if I understand what he's doing, he's not like necessarily playing the melodies of the song, da 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 da. He's not following it note for note, but closely related to what they are singing, right?
Yeah.
So it's still building. All right. All right. at what point do you switch to using distortion now?
Yeah, so when the song is already getting to its peak, that's when you come in with your distortion. But you won't just attack it like that. You still keep building
up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Keep building with the distortion. And like the technique I'm using here is muted.
Muted technique, okay.
Yeah, so I'm muting my notes and then playing around the song that I'm building.
Okay. So like are you using scales? Are you playing scales?
Not really.
But really. You can also play scales, right?
You can play scales, yes, but don't overplay
it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So because it can be noisy.
Noisy and clashing with the vocals. Alright. So let's continue with the distortion now. Guys, if you are following this whole thing, if you don't understand anything, just drop it in the comment section. Then we're going to try to answer your question. What are you doing here?
So now I'm playing power chords.
Power chords,
yeah.
Right? Nice.
Yeah. So it's another way of
build up. Okay. I've learned plenty things today. Oh. My God. Okay. Using power chords. Which scale was that? Did you play a scale or you played the notes?
I just part
whatever. Yeah. Okay. Hi, this guy. Wow, somebody is partying in guitar. Okay. All right. So for when, can you see the energy, the music is high at this point. So whatever that human being is doing right there is none of my business. So what he's simply doing is playing fast runs, right?
Yeah.
So it's important that you know how to play your pentatonic scale, your major scale across the guitar, not just in one position. You see, a lot of beginners, one of their problems is that you only know one position. This is only one position they know, right? It's going to limit you. But then if you know how to play pentatonic scale across different positions, so when the music gets heated like what he just did, you can just connect all of them and play, right? So this is just to give you a breakdown. Let's recap what we did. The first thing, when you hear the song, you build.
Yeah.
No, it's not building. You talked about the vibe.
Yeah,
Know the vibe. So know the energy of the song. What kind of song? Is it a song that requires just playing, clean playing, more clean playing, or is it something that requires a vamp? You know. Then after that is building up, right?
Yeah.
So also know that the song is in sections. All right. You have intro, maybe chorus, verse, and all of those things.
Yeah.
So have different effects to play. Okay, know that when it's intro, some songs, although it differs for some songs you notice that they use distortion and all of that. Yeah. So it depends on the song, but just have in mind effects to use for different sections of the song. And yeah, that's it. So if you want us to do more like this, let me hear it in the comment section. But I think we're going to do something similar for Makosa, like African praise songs, how we would approach it, and he's going to show us how to do it. All right. So if this is your first time and you enjoyed watching, make sure you subscribe, hit the notifications, and we're going to see you in the next video. Cheers.